Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to import an Excel file in Confluence. Start by typing /file anywhere in your Confluence page body to bring up the insert menu. The / command opens an inline quick insert panel that lets you add different content types without switching to a toolbar. A drop-down appears with several insert options. You'll see files and images, tables, layouts, and other content blocks listed. Select Files and Images from that list to open the Upload dialog. An upload window opens with options to attach from your computer, Google Drive, or link to an external file. Click the Upload button to browse your local files. The Upload dialog shows 3 attachment methods. You can drag and drop directly into this window, paste a file link, or use the file picker. A File Explorer window opens where you can navigate to the file you want to attach. In this example, I'm selecting a file called Example Messaging Contacts file. You can attach any file type here, though Confluence will preview common formats like images, PDFs, and Office documents inline on the page. Click Open to confirm your selection and start the upload. The file uploads directly to this page and becomes part of its attachments list. The File Explorer closes, and your file begins uploading to the page. After a moment, you'll see the file appear as an attachment card showing its name and file type. In this case, Example Messaging Contacts file.csv. The card displays a file icon, the file name, and the file extension, making it easy to identify at a glance. Click directly on the attached file card to interact with it, and a label appears beneath displaying the full file name, confirming the attachment is now active on your page. Clicking the card again will download the file to your computer. Once your file is attached, anyone with access to the page can click it to download a copy. If you need to replace the file later, hover over the attachment card and click the 3 dots menu to upload a new version. Keep in mind that Confluence stores the file as a downloadable attachment, rather than displaying the spreadsheet contents inline. If you want the data visible directly on the page, you'll need to copy and paste the cells as a table instead. And that's how to import an Excel file in Confluence. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.